Hi and welcome to Preschool Genius. In this video, we will learn about animals best known for their laziness and cute creepy face. Yes! Are you ready? Let's start with some cool facts about sloth. Do you know what a sloth is? A sloth is a special animal that moves really slowly. Imagine if you took all day to climb a tree. That's how slow sloths are. They move so slowly that it can take a whole day just to travel a short distance. They live high up in trees, usually in warm places like rainforests. Sloths have long arms and big curved claws that are perfect for grabbing onto branches. These claws help them hang upside down, and they can stay in that position for hours without getting tired. It's like they were made for life in the trees. In fact, sloths feel so comfortable in the trees that they even sleep there. They can sleep for up to 15 hours a day, which means they spend most of their day resting. When they're not sleeping, they're slowly moving around to find food, like leaves, fruits, and flowers. One really cool thing about sloths is that their fur can sometimes turn a little bit green. How does this happen? Well, sloths move so slowly and stay in one place for so long that tiny plants, called algae, grow on their fur. This green color helps sloths blend in with the leaves and branches around them, making it even harder for other animals to see them. So, being slow and green actually helps sloths hide and stay safe. Did you know that we've been tricked by sloths all along? We all know that sloths have a reputation as the slowest and laziest creatures in the world. But surprisingly, sloths can swim 3 times faster than they can walk on land. Not only that, but sloths also can hold their breath for up to 40 minutes underwater. For your info, dolphins need to come up for air after about 10 minutes. What a fantastic animals! Even though sloths are really good at hiding in the trees, some animals are their predators. Some of them are jaguar, harpy eagle, and snakes. Even though sloths have these predators, their slow, quiet way of moving and their ability to blend in with the trees help them stay safe. They are really good at hiding, which makes it hard for predators to catch them. Sloths are peaceful animals that enjoy a quiet life in the forest. They teach us that it's okay to take things slowly and enjoy the little things around us. While many animals rush around, sloths remind us that sometimes it's better to be patient and move at your own pace. They may not be the fastest animals, but they are perfectly suited for their treetop homes, where they can relax and stay safe. That's it. I hope you enjoyed learning about sloths with me today. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.